5294, taxing Alpha to runway 14.
Hey Noah.
Yeah.
Do you want to go fly the airplane today? Yeah? What do you want to do in the airplane? Let's go.
Fly. I know how to do it.
You do?
Gas tanks are full. Flaps up. Next away. 1, 2, 3. Seatbelts on. Clear up. Sierra 5294, taxing Alpha to runway 14. VR 70 knots. VY 84 knots. Sierra 5294, departing runway 14.
Good job, buddy.
That's how you fly. Flying is awesome.
Was it fun?
Yeah, I want to fly another one. Save the 310.